We'll send you the link. Okay, this is it. If you if you extract this, if you finally extract this, if you download it in my link TeraBox, just go here, Tradewinds 2 license key, enter this name and the license key. If you open this X file, I don't need to open it because I already did it. Okay, so no worries. Yeah, I'll share the link. Stay tuned in TeraBox, cleandudes.com. Remember that. Okay.